Hey coders, is your Java program are showing command not found error? Well, here's the shocking truth. 99% of beginners mess up this one crucial step. In the next 3 minutes, I will show you exactly how to add Java JDK to your system like a pro. But wait, I also have a secret trick that will save your hours of debugging frustration. So stay till the end. Okay, so first of all, raise your hand if you have downloaded Java JDK but still getting compilation errors. You know what the problem is? Your system doesn't know where Java is installed. Think of it this way: you have the key but don't know which door to open. Today, we are going to give your system the exact address of your Java installation. First step, visit this website and there download the latest LTS version. Okay, so let's go. So here we are in this link. This link is in my descriptions also. So according to your system, say you want to download Java 25 or Java 21. If you want Java 25, this is the thing. And according to that, you go Linux, Mac, and Windows. Suppose if I want for the Windows, then I will go for this into 64 installer. Okay, just click on this. It will download into your system. Double click on it. Up, it will start installing Java JDK into your system. Now the pro tip: install to the default location like C, program files, Java, and JDK the version name. Okay, most of the coders will do the same thing. Step 2: this is where the real game begins. Here's the mistake 90% make. Okay, now first you have to copy where your Java has been installed. Okay, now this is my thing. It is, you can see the two file names, JDK21 and its folder JDK21/bin. Okay, now comes the secret sauce. Under system variables, we have to set the variable Java_home. So let's see that. In the search window, just write environment. You can see the edit the system environment variables. Click on it. Okay, then click on environment variables. Okay, then click on under system variables. Click on new. Okay, if you can already see that it is there in my system. I will show you how to write it: Java_home in caps and C program file Java JDK21. Okay, now this is the first line that I have copied. I have pasted over here. Now, okay, then click on OK. Now again, system variables. Click on this path and click on edit. Now you can see that already it is there in my system. You have to click on new. I will show it to you. Okay, you can see that %Java_home %/bin, and there is no sign after the bin. Okay, so you have to be right like this only. Okay, then click on OK. Click on OK. Okay, now that we have to verify that whether it is there in our system or not. So for that we have to go to command prompt. Write CMD into your search box. Command prompt. Here you have to write Java space minus version. Okay, it is there in our system. You are ready to start coding like a boss. Now I have a quick question for you. Which part confuse you the most? Drop a comment below. I'll read every single one. Okay, if this video saved your time, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. I post new coding tutorials every week in both Hindi and English. Okay, so next week I will show you how to write and run your first Java program. Until then, keep coding and remember, every programming expert started exactly where you are now. Thank you.